So guys, today in this video we are going to discuss TFSA versus RRSP. Which one you should choose first? So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe right now. So guys, welcome back. So in Canada, today we are going to solve a very big financial confusion, whether you should go for TFSA or RRSP. Which one you should choose first? Let's first simplify. First of all, what are these two? TFSA stands clearly for tax-free saving accounts, and RRSP stands very clearly for Registered Retirement Savings Plan. Both help you to invest, give you tax benefits, but both work differently. So you have to be very careful. Let's start with TFSA. With a TFSA, you invest money after paying tax on your income, but the growth, whether it's interest, dividend, or even capital gains, is completely tax-free. And when you withdraw the money, still it is tax-free. Wow. Now RRSP. With an RRSP, you can contribute pre-tax income. That means you get a tax deduction today. This can give you a tax refund. However, when you withdraw money in the future, you pay tax on it. So which one comes first? If you're earning a lower income right now, TFSA makes more sense because your tax rate is already low. So the RRSP deduction doesn't give you much benefit. If you're earning a higher income on the other hand, and you want to reduce taxes, RRSP could be better. Another key difference that is going to impact your decision is TFSA withdrawals don't affect government benefit. RRSP withdrawals can. For newcomers and young professionals, many financial experts suggest starting with TFSA first, then RRSP as income increases. Remember, both are powerful tools. The worst mistake is not using either or not knowing about them when you make your selection. If you want a if you want to do like something full investment, do thorough research and then go for it. Okay. If you want to know more about this, please comment below. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you. But again, I'm not a financial expert. This is was totally based on my knowledge and research. And if you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. All right, guys. So let's proceed.